Welcome to Sports Center, Week 16. Tonight, Panthers vs. Cardinals. Well, hello there, sports fans. It's your favorite quirky commentator, Angela Stone, coming at you live from the ESPN Sports Center. Buckle up because we've got a wild ride lined up for you today. In this Week 16 showdown, the Carolina Panthers clashed helmets with the Arizona Cardinals, and boy, did they bring the heat. The Panthers prowled their way to victory with a final score of Panthers 24, Cardinals 21. Talk about a nail-biter, folks. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty details, shall we? Panthers QB Penix Jr. was slinging passes like a pro, racking up 296 yards and tossing 2 touchdowns, showing those Cardinals who's boss. And how about those hands on Gibson, hauling in 97 yards and finding the end zone with style? But hold on to your helmets because the Cardinals weren't going down without a fight. QB DiNapoli led the charge with 2 touchdown passes, and a home swoop in with a crucial interception, trying to turn the tide in their favor. What a game, what a matchup. The Panthers continue their dominant run with a stellar 1-4-1-0 record, while the Cardinals, well, let's just say they're looking forward to hitting the reset button next season. So, folks, without further ado, grab your popcorn, sit back, and enjoy the show. Watch these highlights from the game and relive the thrills, spills, and jaw-dropping plays that made this Week 16 clash one for the books. Until next time, this is Angela Stone signing off from the ESPN Sports Center. Stay classy, sports fans.